Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel that covers a lot of Outlander stuff. Today we have this. It's an SC Outlander and it just came in today, this morning. Customer bought it already and chose to do a couple quick upgrades that makes a huge impact on the visual looks. That's what this video is all about. A quick visual upgrade that can be done as part of pre-delivery inspection. So this vehicle has not been through the pre-delivery inspection yet. As part of a pre-delivery inspection, we'll do a couple of things to it that will make a huge visual impact. If you want to see the end video, like the end result right away, I will segment this video in two parts. You can click on the end result part right away and look how it turned out. So basically, here's what we're going to do. This is SC trim level, excellent, equipped with sunroof, power tailgate, heated steering wheel, and a bunch of other options. What we're gonna do, first of all, of course, we're gonna unwrap. We're gonna put the black Outlander hood emblem. Then we are gonna put black side moldings. I think black side moldings will look really, really good on white. One of my viewers from Australia purchased those side moldings from me, and then he put it on his Exceed Tourer white on black, and that's where I kind of got the inspiration from that. So we'll do this here. I think it'll look very sharp. We are going to also upgrade the wheels from these 18-inch wheels to 20-inch wheels, but those 20-inch wheels won't be aftermarket. Those will be the same as you get on GT and top of the lines in your market. So it'll have a very, very big visual difference. Now let's get back to work. Let's get it done. Hood emblem, side moldings, upgraded wheels, and let's check out how it turns out. And here is the end result. This is how it turned out. What a great difference. It actually looks like a completely different vehicle. So a very quick upgrade, but makes a huge visual difference. So first off, we put this Outlander hood emblem. We went with black. Chrome would be other way to go, but we chose black to match the theme that's going on the front here. Also, the wheels are kind of this like two-tone machined aluminum wheels, and then it has also, like, you know, black side moldings that we put on as well. So we upgraded wheels to factory 20s. So these are definitely one of the better looking wheels that I've seen out there on any vehicle. Actually, they suit the Outlander really well. And then what we did is we put the side moldings, black side moldings with this chrome stripe right here and chrome lettering. We can have a look a little bit closer how it looks. So there we go. Looks absolutely fantastic. The chrome lettering, it finishes off the entire thing really good, and of course it matches really well with the chrome moldings here and the roof line as well. So side view looks absolutely spectacular. I really like this black side molding thing on the white car, right? So we can see how this horizontal line goes here, and we just like finish it off real quick with the Outlander. Overall, Outlander is definitely one of the best vehicles out there when it comes to customizing and doing all these little upgrades. I like that part a lot. So there we go. This is how it turned out. It's just a simple SC trim level, but it has a panoramic sunroof. It's actually very well equipped. So it has, we can have a look at the size of the sunroof real quick while we had it. It's huge. One of the best things about the new Outlander. Heated steering wheel all the way around, charging, wireless charging, power trunk. It has that kick motion. You walk up to the vehicle, you kick it like that, and that opens up the trunk for you. Of course, it's 7-seater. That's standard in Canada, and super all-wheel control, also standard in Canada. So there we go. Hope the customer is going to be very happy because it turned out absolutely great. Now we're going to detail the car, and it's going to go out for delivery. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this quick little upgrade we did on this Outlander SC, and see you on next videos.